What's up? What's going on? I fix it in your face, old school DW. So I'm actually slightly disappointed by the amount of outreach I had when it came to helping search for this girl. There's a lot of local people that are subscribed to my channel, and I feel like there's not very many people that wanted to give up their Sunday to help for a good cause, and that's disappointing to me. It's disappointing to me. That being said, I did have a couple people, and I know one of them for sure is coming, and not only is he coming, he's going to be donating not only his time, but his equipment. And we're not even talking about drones now. My buddy Derek actually owns a kayak shop, and I'll actually put his information in the subscription. So if you guys want to check out Derek's kayak shop, you can. He's going to be bringing a lot of kayaks for people to use. So he did not have to do that. He didn't have to give up his time. He's an amazing individual. So shout outs to Derek. You and your family are awesome. Every interaction I've ever had with you guys has been positive across the board. You're very good-hearted people, and shout outs to you guys. I did send a few other invites. I'm going to check in with those people today that are local to me to see if they're gonna invest their time. I am kind of disappointed with some of these people. You know, well, I don't think I need to explain further on that. I'm unwilling to give up a Sunday to assist for good causes. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. Maybe I'm an opinionated dick, and I always have been. That's what sets me apart from other people. But you know, I struggle in this world. I have all sorts of problems, but regardless of those problems, I still try to help where I can, and that makes me a humble, positive individual on a lot of fronts. You know, you may perceive me as an asshole, but I think I'm only an asshole when you force me to be one. That's the realisticness of the situation. That's the honest truth. But that being said, for the last time, I'm going to put this out there. And this time I'm going to give you guys an address if you would like to meet me there. It starts at 8 a.m. I'm probably going to be pulling in at 7 a.m. It's going to be in Lithia, Florida to assist. We will be working with the local sheriff's department as well as a couple detectives, and I'm going to go ahead and assume probably some of the family members involved in this. They're going to be having a cookout, so this will be my second time putting this out for you guys. Sorry, driving. I'm actually on my way to pick up a scooter to work on more content for the channel. You know, it's kind of how I make my living now, and I'm very, very good at it. So I did reopen my scooter business as well. It was a long time coming. I should have just gotten back to it a while ago. You know, I am phasing out of my drone thing. I don't like what the community has become. I don't like the advocacy that's happening for the FAA. I'm not a huge fan of like almost 90% of the people in the community now. There's a lot of sucking up. There's a lot of bubbleheads out there. There's a lot of egos. It's just a very interesting community at this point, and I'm not willing to play by the rules. Never have been. I think most of you guys know me. I'm not going to play by the rules. So as soon as it doesn't become fun, I told everybody from the get-go, when things become not fun, I'll stop doing them. I will fly as a hobby, and I will maybe post the occasional drone shot, and if I think a video is necessary to be made about a company or a product that's being released, because I'm not stupid and I understand how things work, then I'll make those videos. But I think 90% of my channel will be scooter and motorcycle related content, and anything else I choose to throw on here, and maybe the occasional vlog. But I've revamped this entire channel at this point to take a whole different direction. So that being said, I'm still going to support who I care for, and the people that have been here the longest, that have supported me for the longest. I will still investigate your channels. I will still be part of it. I will still show support. But fuck like 90% of the community, man. I'm not a huge fan of what the community has become. This following people around, and there's big wigs, and there's not my skill set versus your skill set. The whole thing is goofy. It's just become a silly platform where everybody has expectations of everyone else and what they want from them, and I don't know. I don't get it. I just don't get it. You know, all you guys just subbing to one another to sub. You're not creating entertainment value for each other. There's only a few channels that really made it big, and for good reason. I mean, they did what they needed to get big, and you know, a lot of you guys aren't willing to put that kind of work or invested time in, so all you're doing is subscribing to buddies' channels one-on-one with each other, and you know, it's not as supportive as you think it is. If you're trying to grow your channel in the drone world, then you need to spend a lot of money. You need to pull out your wallet, start writing big checks, and start buying everything new coming out, and then you'll get where you want to be. But you know, other than that, you're just going to be buddy with all your little friends and support each other's little channels, and maybe if you're making decent content or your skill set is just really gnarly when it comes to videography, stuff like that, then you'll grow. I have no interest. You know, I still like watching drone footage. A lot of people don't. I still enjoy watching drone footage, and most people are now in the drone world for live shows and shout outs to their names, and I just think the whole thing is goofy. It's goofy. I love watching people's drone content. Sitting through live shows is alright. I can only do it for about 10 or 15 minutes, and then my ADHD kicks in like crazy and I have no interest anymore, and I'll pop out. Unless you're talking really interesting stuff, there's only a few channels I'll watch that say really interesting things. I'm not giggling over fake setups with people and their little, you know, their little I'm drinking alcohol, little jokes and stuff. All that stuff's funny to me. It's just goofiness. I don't have time for that goofy little rhetorical blah, 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 whatever. I do this because it's fun. I want to watch your drone content. I want to see you fly. I want to see what your skill set is. Bring me something I haven't seen before. Show me wow factor. That's what I'm interested in. Fucking wow factor. Wow me again. You know, a lot of you guys aren't wowing me, so. But I'm supportive to the people that are supportive back. You know, when you stop commenting, you stop liking, you stop showing any kind of support or love, you won't receive it back. I'm sorry, I just have no interest in that stuff. You know, so. But when it comes to my tutorial videos and scooter stuff, 100%, dude. I don't care if you're subscribed or not. Those videos are to help. Regardless, they'll get views easily. Way easier than drone content. You know, this talking trending topic, jumping on the bandwagon of the hype train, following around big channels like Lost Puppies, all that stuff is goofy to me. I don't have time for that. Too old for this shit. I'm just getting too old for this shit. Don't care anymore. So, alright guys, well, you know, for the people that did say they were coming, Derek and his family, you guys are awesome. Thank you. To the other people I reached out to or asked me questions and then zero response afterwards, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know why you didn't even respond. You asked me a question, I answered it, no response. I just don't get it. You know, you're local. Come on, man, give up a Sunday. Come on out. Be helpful. Show people why the drone industry is awesome. This is an opportunity for you to go, I have a drone capable of doing this. I can show the better side of drones. That's what this is about. So anyways, guys, I've been talking for 8 minutes and 16 seconds straight. I'm out. I'll catch you guys on the flip, man. And you know, more scooter content coming, guaranteed. You know how I do things. I don't play. Video a day, sometimes 6 videos a day, then don't play. I do this. Damn it. Alright guys, I fix shit. Old school DW, and I'm out. Toodles!